Hello and welcome to another video from How to Webmaster. Today I will show you guys my all-time YouTube AdSense monetization stats for top countries along with the CPM ad rates. Here it is, the top 50 countries. And of course at the top is the United States, bringing in the most money for my channel, and along with all of the other rich English-speaking countries. I am quite surprised to see India as one of my top earning countries. I am also very surprised to find Nigeria among one of the top countries bringing in good ad money as well. Let's sort the list by CPM rates. Look at this, the country of Liechtenstein is number 1 and has an outrageous CPM rate of $122, but it is showing 0 views here. How can this be? Must be a glitch or something. Here is the rest of the top 50 countries sorted by CPM rates. Here are a couple more countries with 0 views and bringing in ad money with decent CPM rates. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube marketing tips and tricks.